It only takes about 19 seconds for your brain to calm down once you stop rushing.
I guess we are all really busy. When I feel tired, I try to find a way to recover. I want to share with you a few details that scientifically prove that it's really good. I was a beauty therapist. I have some pre-knowledge about it, and those few things, like a few ultimate tips that can help you just to boost your energy.
Some mornings just don't ask for much. You wake up and the world feels a little heavy. Not so bad, just full. So I stayed in, pulled the blanket a little closer, listened to the quiet. When I finally got up, I didn't rush. I showered slowly and let the warm water wake me up. The air smells clean and soft. And I lit a candle just because it felt right.
What a beautiful day, huh? Number 1 is sleep. You need to sleep 8 hours, at least. You need to recover, and even if you feel like you're used to getting up very early, you should just relax and sleep or meditate. That's the way you can rest really well. Number 2, drink water. Not from here. You need to take the water that is filtered. But also you can add a lemon. So after hydration, I would always recommend celery juice. You know me. I think if you watch my videos, some of them, you know that I'm a fan of celery juice. But some people don't have a juicer. So what you can do, I think in most of the stores, unless you're in a really, really small village, you can find ginger shot, or it's important to be cold pressed juice. It helps your immune system, helps with the gut. Most of the times you will find juices with fruits only. The best juice is with vegetables. So if you can find like a celery, cucumber, ginger, and then a little bit of fruits, that would be the best.
Even something as simple as touching warm water or a smooth surface can trigger your parasympathetic nervous system. That's the part that slows your heart rate and tell your body it's safe and relax.
This is my way to recover. So you should apply a little bit on your neck and your chest, because that's the area that has wrinkles and shows your age. And this kind of mask I'm going to keep at least 20 minutes. Very soon I'm going to travel with low-cost airline, and I can take just a backpack. So when you don't have so much space there, I suggest highly to use some natural ingredients like honey, coffee, and different kind of options. There is another option, and that is if you go to some like Sephora or some other cosmetic store, then you can take some samples and actually try a new masks and new serums while you're traveling. So that's quite a fun.
I think we all need mornings like this, just to remember we are human.
If you can do one day of fasting, cleansing, like a day of cleansing, which means you can have some soup, lots of liquids, lots of salads, that will definitely nourish you and you will feel way better. And then you finish your day with one of those. You see, I have different colors. This is supposed to be a mango. This one, surprisingly, is way better than the pistachio, which is usually my favorite. Okay, now, so you had some good sleep, you had some water, you had some lemon, you had some juice, and I think you shouldn't actually eat for a while. If you are really hungry, if you don't want to eat salad, you can do the smoothie. Another thing, these are magical ones. Lavender number 1, it's really good to make you calm. There is a couple of doTERRA etheric oils I use, depends on my situation. Beside the experience, I did work with etheric oils. I was a beautician for 10 years. One that is kind of roll-on for my kid. If she's too much overwhelmed, then that makes her calm in a natural way.
flickering light, like from a candle, can lower cortisol level, the stress hormone. That's why even a tiny flame can help you feel calmer and more present. Reading for just 6 minutes can reduce stress by up to 68%, according to research. Your mind shifts focus and your body physically relaxes. I think we all need mornings like this. Or maybe this is your sign to make space for one soon.
I hope you like this video. I'm traveling in 2 days and everything I can carry is my backpack. I need some scientifically proved techniques to pack in order to survive, I think, a week or two. If you want to see that video, subscribe and be notified for the next one, because that should be very soon. See you in the next one.